Today, we want to address a frequently asked question: can we have one-off window cleaning? While we appreciate your interest in our services, we regret that we don't offer one-off window cleans. In this blog, we'll explain the logistics and challenges of one-off cleans and commitment to maintaining clean windows all year round, and why regular and reliable customers are essential for our business to thrive. The logistical challenges of one-off window cleans. As a professional window cleaning company, we are dedicated to providing the highest quality service to our valued customers. One-off window cleans present a logistical challenge because of the time and resources required to arrange and execute these singular appointments. Unlike regular window cleaning schedules, we plan and organise efficiently. One-off cleans involve numerous administrative tasks and scheduling adjustments. Coordinating multiple one-off appointments while maintaining the same level of excellence in our service can be challenging and often disrupts our regular window cleaning routines. At Red Clean, window cleaning is a year-round necessity. Clean windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home or business, allows natural light to brighten up the living space or workspace, and promotes a healthier living environment. We strive to keep your windows sparkling and clean regardless of the season or weather conditions. By offering regular window cleaner services, we ensure our customers' windows stay clean, fresh and inviting throughout the year. We take pride in knowing that our customers can rely on us and maintain the pristine condition of their windows without the need of last-minute one-off cleans. Building a viable business for exceptional service. Red Clean is more than just an exterior cleaning company. It's a community of satisfied customers who appreciate the consistent and reliable service. We must create strong, long-term relationships with our valued customers to run a viable business and to provide exceptional services. Regular and reliable customers allow us to invest in modern vans, state-of-the-art equipment, and the latest window cleaning technology. These investments enable us to maintain our high service standards, deliver efficient and effective window cleaning, and offer our customers an experience like no other. The benefits of regular window cleaning. Regular window cleaning offers numerous benefits, such as improved curb appeal. Clean windows instantly enhance your home's curb appeal, leaving a positive impression on guests and passers-by. Enhanced natural light. Clean windows allows maximum natural light to enter your living spaces, creating a brighter and more inviting atmosphere. Prolonged window lifespan. Regular cleaning removes dirt, grime and debris that can degrade and damage window materials over time. Preventative maintenance. Regular inspections during scheduled cleaning visits allow us to identify and address potential issues early, preventing costly repairs in the future. Healthier living environment. Clean windows promote better indoor air quality by eliminating dust and allergens that can accumulate on window surfaces. Our customer first approach. At Red Clean, we believe in a customer first approach. We can better understand their unique needs and preferences by focusing on long-term relationships with regular customers. This allows us to tailor our services and exceed their expectations consistently. While we understand the desire for one-off window cleans, we hope this blog sheds light on why we don't offer them at Red Clean. Our commitment to maintaining clean windows all year round and delivering exceptional services to our regular and reliable customers drives our business's philosophy. We sincerely thank our valued customers for choosing Red Clean as your trusted window cleaning partner. Your loyalty and support allows us to continue providing top-notch services with the best modern equipment and technology. We look forward to continuing our journey together, keeping your windows clean and bright, and being the window cleaning company that you can always rely on.